I don't know if you were like me, but I absolutely love Amazon. I'm addicted to buying stuff off of their website. Obviously, you are wanting to know about this specific item. Check it out. So I'm gonna like open this up. This is some really neat new packaging. So it's like not their normal Amazon box, which is kind of cool. But if I can figure out how to open this. Oh, okay. So it is summer, and my wife works in an office space, and sometimes it gets kind of warm. So I bought her this. Check it out. It is a little fan, but it's not just a normal fan. It gives you a little bit of mist, like cool mist, so you can sit this next to your computer. Oh, and by the way, it's USB, so you can charge it off of your computer or attach it to it and leave it running. But check it out. You have, oh my goodness. Oh, that is so cool. So they have different designs and styles. Not designs, but colors. I chose the black because it would match her PC the most. But check it out. So you can turn the direction to whatever direction you want. And then it has the micro USB in the back. So then you got USB to charge it. And then you have the option to fan. Different levels of speed. So 3 levels. And then you have right here, which I didn't put water in it yet, but you have the mist option. Which, let me go put some water in this and I will be right back. Alright, so I want to show you real quick. When I go to fill it, here's the spot that holds the water, and then you just slide it on and turn, and it stays in there, and you can see on the bottom side. So it's just a quick little, so let's go, comes charged. That's the awesome part. Be right back. Alright, so this is so cool because, so I'm going to turn the fan on, and then you have the mist. Let's see if you can see that. So that cool misting feeling. And then turn it on a little bit higher level. And then turn it off. So low, and then high, and then so you can see how well that is. Oh, that feels so good. It's just that little bit of moisture that just gives that little bit of extra cooling feeling. Oh yeah, my wife's gonna love this. It's not too loud either. I don't know, I'm sure you can hear that. It's really not that loud. What I like about it is, look at the style of it. It's a very nice little style. Oh, you can have it misting on its own. But obviously you don't want it, you want it to blow on you. But I like it because look at the style of it. It's very unique, stylish, it blends in. It's very modern. You can turn the fan like direction really well. And then obviously if it's on your desk, you can aim it however you want. So it's got a good range between this and this. If you had it on top of your PC blowing kind of downward towards you. So it gives you options. This is a game changer. This is gonna be awesome. I might get one for myself for my computer over here. That way I can sit there and turn it on and feel that cool air. You know, if the AC is not enough, sometimes that extra little bit, just that breeze just feels so good. Sometimes I don't have the AC on. I'll just leave the doors open, like the screen doors. So that way you just have that lovely cross breeze in the house and you just get that cool outside air. So yeah, check it out. And what's cool about it, it's portable. So you can take it wherever you want. Put it in your car, take it with you. Anything, like wherever they'll allow you to bring this in, you can just bring it with you, sit it on like a picnic table and just relax, sit in a chair, watch a football game or baseball game and just have it blowing on you. Yeah, it says it is spray quantity is 30 to 50 milliliters, and then it is DC 5 volt 1 amp, so it's very low wattage. So yeah, it's really cool, huh? And like I said, just to put the water in and out, you just lift that up and turn it, and it just opens right up. So yeah, definitely worth the price. It's really inexpensive, but check it out. People think you paid a lot more than what this costs. So if you have any questions, I'll try to reply with what I know, and check it out. Hopefully you enjoy the purchase too, because this is definitely awesome. Definitely giving this 5 stars. Check it out later. This is awesome. I did not realize that this changes colors. So if you hold this down, just the mister, you hold the mister down, and then it slowly will change colors, just like my computer slowly changes colors. How cool is that? Oh man, epic. This is just like a cool little extra feature. You can use it as a little night light. You can kind of use it at like an outdoor little party. You know, summer, you're sitting outside and you want that cool breeze. You can just turn that on with a little mist. Oh, it's just epic. Oh yeah, check that out. It's so cool. It just sits there and changes colors. Ha! I did not realize that. So that's like a cool extra feature I didn't even realize it came with. I was playing around with it and popped on. So check it out. Oh yeah.